All right, guys, here's 4929 Southwest 69th Terrace. Mobile home on about 1/4 of an acre. As you can see, we've got a brand new stairway and ramp, brand new garage, driveway. The yard is fenced, paved road, and you own the land. It's a 2006 house that was placed on this particular lot in 2017. So it is what we call a second set. Got nice flooring, cleaned and updated kitchen, brand new appliances, super cute fenced in backyard. I don't know if you can see that. That is a 6-month-old central air conditioner. Washer and dryer inside by the back door. This would be the master bedroom. Really nice sized bathroom. Absolute oversized closet. Check that thing out. You could actually use that for a small kid room or an office. And I'll try and walk quick and get you back to the other side, where we've got another full bathroom and another full bedroom, making this home a 2-2. And for those of you who are very astute and picked up the window units, those were in here while the AC was being replaced, and they're just gonna leave them in there for you in case you like it really chilly. Come check this thing out.